Here is the truck that lets you leave the gas station behind for good. This is the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning XLT, an all-electric 4x4 Supercrew finished in Oxford white. As a zero-emission vehicle, it redefines what a truck can be. This model is equipped with tough 18-inch alloy gloss black wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires and features the incredible 360-degree camera for a complete view of your surroundings. Book a drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Automall, right here in Abbotsford. Imagine your weekends exploring the Fraser Valley, from the streets of Abbotsford to the lakes around Mission, all in the quiet comfort of this F-150 Lightning. Towing your boat or trailer has never been easier, thanks to Pro Trailer Backup Assist and Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, which take the guesswork out of lining up and reversing. This truck offers incredible utility with a massive, lockable front trunk for secure storage. Access is a breeze with a fixed extended running boards, a tailgate step, and a dealer-installed SecuriCode wireless keypad. The bed is protected with a factory spray-in bedliner, ready for any job. We often get asked, how does the Lightning keep you comfortable and in command, especially on long drives or in bad weather? This truck is engineered for driver confidence. The interior welcomes you with heated front seats and power-adjustable pedals, allowing you to find the perfect driving position. A crisp 12-inch digital instrument cluster keeps all key information clear and readable. When driving, you're supported by advanced features like a lane-keeping system and Bliss with cross-traffic alert, giving you an extra set of eyes on the road. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.